Hello, my name is Angela Cregan and I'm a manager in the Audit and Accounts Department of Harbinson, Mulholland. A lot of our clients keep their accounting records using Sage accounts software. It's quite common for us to ask our clients to email in their Sage backup. However, clients quite often find when they try to email their backup that it is too big to send as an email attachment. The reason for this is because all files have been included in the backup, therefore making it very large. The size can be reduced by only including data files. In order to back up just data files, when you select File, Backup, you will notice that there is a tab called Advanced Options. If you select this tab and make sure the only box that is ticked is the data file box, this will ensure that only data files are included. This will dramatically reduce the size of the backup and should enable most backups to be emailed. As a general housekeeping point, it is quite useful to check your Sage backups occasionally to make sure the backup has been successful. We have had situations before where clients have had system failures, and when they try to restore the backups, they discover that the backups have not actually been taken correctly in the first place, and when they try to restore them, they're actually useless. Another topic I thought it would be useful to cover is using Sage to prepare your VAT return. Sage is a useful tool for producing your VAT return, however it is very important to reconcile your transactions on Sage once the VAT return has been completed. To prepare a VAT return on Sage, you select Modules, Financials, VAT, and then input the start date and the end date of the VAT return you wish to prepare in the top right corner. Once the VAT return has been completed, you will have the option to reconcile all items included in the VAT quarter. It is very important to do this, as this effectively closes off these items and makes sure they are not included in future VAT returns. When you do a subsequent VAT return, a box will appear and ask if you wish to include earlier unreconciled items. You should select to include these. A box will appear indicating how many of these transactions there are. It should be a very low number, as this is effectively any items which have been posted back into the previous VAT quarter after the VAT return was completed. As these items are unreconciled, they have not been included in a previous VAT return. Therefore, if we don't include them, they will be left out altogether. As quite often it's purchase invoices which get posted into the previous quarter, you will be losing out on reclaiming input VAT. It is a common error to forget to reconcile the VAT once the return has been completed. Therefore, it should form part of your quarterly checklist of items to be completed. We as a firm have a wide knowledge of Sage and are happy to answer any queries you may have. If you're currently using Sage and would like some assistance in getting more information from the system, or you're thinking of using Sage and would like to discuss this, then please contact me by phone or email. My contact details will follow.